Welcome to Kevo Contemporary Touch-to-Open Bluetooth Smart Lock Unboxing. Kevo Quick Setup Guide and Support. Exterior Deadbolt. 4 AA RAYOVAC batteries. Deadbolt interior. Interior cover. Interior assembly. Battery pack. Mounting plate. Adapter ring. Drive-in latch. Latch with rectangular faceplate. Square corner strike. Drilling template. Terms and conditions. Parts in the box. Smart Key rekey instructions. Smart Key Learn tool. 2 standard Weiser KEYWAY backup keys. Screws required for installation. And that's all. It's time to unbox your Kevo Contemporary Touch-to-Open Bluetooth Smart Lock.